String algae can be a persistent problem in ponds, but with the right approach, you can effectively eliminate it and maintain a healthy aquatic environment. These green filamentous weeds thrive in warm, nutrient-rich waters, often leading to an unsightly and unhealthy pond. Understanding what causes string algae growth is the first step toward eradication. To combat string algae, start by addressing the underlying causes of its proliferation. Excess nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, often from runoff, over-fertilization, or decaying organic matter, feed the growth of algae. To reduce these nutrients, consider implementing a regular maintenance routine, which includes removing fallen leaves and other debris from your pond. Additionally, you might want to limit chemical fertilizers in your garden, as they can wash into your pond during rainstorms. Making these changes can significantly decrease the nutrient levels in your pond, providing a less favorable environment for string algae to thrive. Another effective method for controlling string algae involves introducing biological controls. Certain species of fish, such as pond snails, koi, and some types of goldfish, will consume algae, helping to manage its growth naturally. You might also want to consider the installation of beneficial bacteria that break down organic waste and compete with algae for nutrients. Adding these natural predators can create a balanced ecosystem and help keep string algae at bay. Mechanical removal is another strategy you can employ. Use a skimmer or rake to physically remove the algae from your pond. This process not only reduces the visible algae, but can also lower the nutrient load in your pond if you remove the biomass. It's best to perform this during dry spells, when the algae is easier to access, helping to prevent it from returning quickly after removal. Lastly, consider adding aquatic plants to your pond. Plants like water lilies, lotuses, and submerged plants such as elodea can outcompete string algae for sunlight and nutrients, effectively reducing its growth. Choosing native plants that suit your pond's climate can enhance the overall aesthetic and create a flourishing habitat for wildlife. By integrating these multiple strategies, controlling nutrients, introducing biological agents, mechanical removal, and planting native vegetation, you can successfully eliminate string algae and enjoy a beautiful, clear pond. Lastly, you can use barley extract and salt together. Salt is recommended at 3 to 5%.